Do you want to know how you can log into your Unhinged Ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Unhinged Ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Unhinged AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to Unhinged, where you can see there are a lot of anime artworks and a lot of various artworks which you can explore from. Now, to log into Unhinged, go ahead and click on this three lines icon which is on the top left hand corner, and then you can see login on the bottom left hand corner. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up and create an Unhinged account now, and if you want to log in, click logged in and you can see a login portal will pop up. You can also sign up from here as well. Now to log into your account, go ahead and write down your email address in this link over here or this box over here. Write down your password in this box and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Unhinged Ai account. If you have forgotten the password to your account, click on this link and then you can write down your email address and then you can see forgot password over here. After you click it, you can see a password reset email has been sent to your mail. Go ahead and check your mail and click on the link and then you can recover your password once again. I hope this video about how you can log into your Unhinged Ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.